tops that somehow make you look effortlessly put together even when you only spent just a few minutes getting ready? Well, I'm Gracie with WTI, and these crochet tank tops from VIMPUNEC make all my outfits 10 times better. I'm 5'3.5" and 115 pounds, and I got the size small in this gorgeous yellow and hot pink color. These colors are so fun and so bright. These are perfect for summer, and you can see that it's actually a full-length top on me. It's not really a crop top for my height, which I actually appreciated, but I also just love this crew neckline, keeping it very classy, and the crochet knit fabric that it's made from. This knitting is tight enough at the top so it's not see-through at all, but as you get towards the bottom, it opens up a bit, leading into this super cute ruffled hem, which I think it's so fun and girly. They do have a little bit of weight to them, but they're honestly so comfortable. VIMPUNEC has so many cute colors to choose from. I really think this top can be worn all year long. I personally want one in every single color. You can pair it with some slacks, some tights, shorts, literally any kind of bottoms, because these tops completely finish your outfit. And that's my point of view.